So we're back working on this Suburban. I've got the air suspension compressor removed. You can see how it's actually blown up inside there. These fasteners just need to be loosened, and then the bolts pushed back in, and you can actually just slide it out of the frame. It fits into these slotted holes here. You can see the slotted holes. I've cleaned the connector here and packed it full of dielectric grease, and we're gonna slip the new one back up in place. It looks the same connector on it, same pins, and we should be good to go. So fuse number 58, which is that one right there, is actually for the automatic level control compressor. Somewhere down here it says it. No, 58 ALC compressor. And that is that fuse right there. So I've replaced the fuse because it was burnt. And we're going to use the scan tool now to command it on. So wait for my compressor fan, or my furnace fan to shut off. Okay, so we're going to try running the compressor now that it's been replaced. And we'll watch the rear position sensors. Left rear, or right rear and left rear position sensors, and we'll turn the compressor on. And I hope the recording is picking up the compressor running. And the voltage should change, indicating the air shocks are being pumped up. I see the right rear is not really changing. Oh yeah, there it goes. And the back of the vehicle is rising. And that's my compressor kicking on. The system may automatically exhaust. Yeah, it did. I heard the exhaust solenoid click on because it's above the normal height that it should be, so it's letting the air back out of the system. And I think it just stopped right there. So it appears this one is working now. No codes in the system. We'll call it a wrap.